Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again here at K 2016. We had the chance to talk with Nada Sella, head of the emerging solution here at Stratasys. So what's going on here at your booth? What are the main features?
So basically what we're showing here is we're showing the transformation of additive manufacturing from being just a prototyping tool, also used to as a production tool for many companies. So we're showing the way that you can bridge tooling, for example, from traditional metal tools to 3D printed tools to assist you in manufacturing of parts, if it's injection molded parts, composite parts, some jigs and fixtures to help you speed up your production time, save you some money and cost. That's what we're showing here. We're having a demonstration with also a company called Dr. Boy, which is a German manufacturer of an injection molding equipment. So basically what we're showing is we're showing 3D printed tool, an insert placed onto the injection molding machine, injecting parts live at the booth here. So we have many customers or prospects coming over looking for, again, for ways to speed up their production times, their development times, find new solution for their customers if there are service providers, for example. So they want to either get earlier in the game if you're talking about custom molders. So the custom molders would like sometimes to catch the customers earlier in the process. So if in the past they would come to them only to get injection molded parts, so right now they can, if they get into additive, they can also supply prototyping, and after that, if you're using 3D printed tools, they can also supply the first series production of parts or small batch of parts for their development process. So that's you see here.
Okay, great. And I see there are some objects here, some stuff. Can you tell us something about those things?
Yeah, so what you can see here is a story with one of our customers in Germany, a company called Berker. And they have one of our printers, and they're using it to 3D print molds and inject parts into those molds. So what you can see here basically is an assembly of a few parts. This part was actually one of their products that they needed to redesign the interior of this product. So they created 3 different tools. They injected the parts into those tools, and then you can have the full assembly of the new product and have all the functional tests done with the end production material in a very short time and very cost effectively. So that's what you can see here. This is the final product. So that's this example. You can also see some of the things we are showing here with our FTM technology. So we're showing a layup tool for composite tools. So this is mainly used for the aerospace automotive industry. So you can, again, 3D print a tool, save you a lot of time and money compared to a steel tool or other tools. We're also showing an example here of sacrificial tooling, which means that you 3D print with a material that can be later dissolved, and then you can get this hollow exhaust pipe again very cost effectively. We're showing some jigs and fixtures over there, showing how the 3D pre-IM or 3D printed injection mold are seen in the manufacturing environment with a mold base from Hasco, which we also collaborate with. We're showing the J750 for medical modeling.
So, okay, coming back to the show, what are you expecting? What you were expecting from the K, and in fact, what is the result you're feeling? What is your mood also about that?
So I think the K is I think for me, it's one of the best shows in the world. It's once every 3 years. Everybody in the manufacturing industry is here. So my expectations is that people from different industries, or let's say the synergy between different manufacturing process, will become better and better and more smooth when different manufacturing processes interact with one another. So it can be milling with 3D printing, robotics, plastic processing, etc. So I think that is one of the great things about the K show, and that I expect from customers and also from the exhibitors.
So I thank Nadav Sela for this short exchange. I invite you to stay online and stay tuned with Plast and Technoplast Television.